that you do not want your sisters, okay, a lady close to you, to experience those kind. Okay? And lastly, we cannot deny the fact that there are liberated women. Okay? There are still Maria Claras and there are liberated women. However, even if they are liberated, do not take advantage of them. Okay, you can see if a woman is liberated, the way she speaks, the way she dresses up. Okay, pero do not take advantage naman. Okay, especially again, your generation is quite different from our generation. Malaki na yung difference eh. Parang before, during our generation, if you do have crush, parang mortal sin na malaman ng crush mo, na crush mo siya. Okay, pero ngayon, parang ang generation ngayon, ang nag-i-initiate yung babae na talaga. And ladies are even giving something like that. Okay, so malaki na yung difference talaga. But again, you can still enjoy the process and the experiences. Okay, not all experiences, ha? Okay, the simple experiences, but again, the bottom line there is love and trust and respect. Okay, you should learn, you should know how to respect. Okay, is anything that you want to ask about topic of 116? Any clarification? By the way, Tristan, I am sorry to address this inside the class. How would you like to be addressed? Si De La Cruz, Tristan? Yeah? Tristan? Are you familiar with the MX? MX.
No, ma'am.
What?
MX3? What? MX, ma'am? We're not familiar.
You were open, right? You were open. I hope you are not getting it wrong.
No, ma'am. X-Men. X-Men? X-Men.
Not X-Men. MX. You are not yet familiar with MX.
No, ma'am.
If we are referring to a woman like me, that is Miss or Mrs., right? If it is for kid, okay, that is Mr. or Sir. Okay, but for you, how do you like to be addressed?
Just
Honestly.
Just section representative, ma'am. Anything you want, ma'am. I'm very open in that situation, ma'am.
Okay, that is why I am asking you about MX. Because as the recent months or years, aside from Mr. and Miss, there is already MX. And that is to address, okay, a person like Tristan. Okay, just like for example on our class in PhD, if the person is gay, okay, or the other way, and if they would like to be, if they do not want to be preferred as Mr., they can use MX Tristan. MX. And that I think that come from UP. So aside from Miss, Mr., there is MX. So you can use it. That means mix. Okay. So that is both acceptable in oral and in written. So just like for example, last time I have done a letter for my classmate inviting him for a speakership. Instead of writing Mr., I have used MX, and that is acceptable. And the world should be accepting too, no matter what happened. Okay, so that is same thing.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so thank you Group 2 for a wonderful discussion about Planet 116. So let's proceed with Group 3.
ako din. May MX na pala.
Group 3, may you please share your screen?